Stand in a neutral position. Rub your belly to wake up your abdominal muscles. Widen your stance, place your hands on your hips and drop your knees a little. Tilt forwards slightly at the belly to slacken off your abdomen. Take a light, slow, relaxed and long breath in and out through the nose for preparation. Shut your mouth, teeth together, with the tongue on the roof of the mouth, throat relaxed. Sharply contract your abdominal muscles in an instant and relax again. Pause for a moment and then repeat the action. Air should lightly fire out of the nostrils with each contraction and then naturally draw back in with each relaxation. This action ventilates and breathes the lungs and should replace the normal breathing process within the exercise. If there's any difficulty with the air exchange, try to relax, especially at the throat. Repeat at a rhythm and pace that suits you, especially making sure you fully relax your belly before contracting again. Go as strong and as fast as you feel is comfortable. Stay relaxed and loose.